Hey everyone, this is Akhil, and today we have the Infinix S4 smartphone with us. It's a budget device from Infinix, and as you can see, it has a water drop style notch and also features a triple rear camera setup and a 32 megapixel front facing camera as well. So let's see what all does it have to offer apart from all these. So here we have the retail unit of the Infinix S4 smartphone with us, and let's quickly unbox it and see what all does it have to offer. So the first thing inside the box is the Infinix S4 smartphone itself, and this is the Nebula blue color variant that we have with us. And as you can see, it has a triple rear camera setup and it's a budget device with a triple rear camera setup at the back. Next we have some user manual and documentations. We also have a transparent silicone case included inside the box, and it's a good thing to get these accessories inside the box itself, and it fits perfectly with the device. Next we have a screen protector. Then we have a micro USB cable to charge the device, and at the end we have a power adapter to charge the device. It's not a fast charger, but it does the job well. Talking about the SIM tray, the Infinix S4 has a triple SIM card slot with two cards can be used to house SIM cards, and another one is a dedicated micro SD card slot as well. So that's all that we have inside the box of the Infinix S4 smartphone. So now let's turn on the device and see what all features does this device pack. So the first thing that we observe about this device is display. It's a water drop style display at the front, and it's a 6.21 inches HD plus display with a resolution of 720 into 1520 pixels, and it has an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 and has a 89% of screen to body ratio. The display has a 2.5D curved glass, and it's an LCD display with 500 nits of maximum brightness. Also talking about the specifications of this device is powered by an Helio P22 octa-core processor. It's a 64-bit processor and it's clocked at 2.2 GHz. And for the GPU, it's powered by an IMG Power VR GPU as well. So this variant that we have with us, it's a 3 gigabits of RAM and 32 gigabits of internal storage, and it's backed by a 4000 milliampere battery as well. The device is running on XOS 5.0 that's based on Android 9.0 Pie and offers a lot many software features to enhance the user experience. The XOS 5.0 offers a lot many features such as there's an intelligent voice broadcast feature, there's a smart panel that comes out on the display from swiping from the right hand side from the edge, and it shows all the quick shortcuts for your quick access of all the apps. And there's an inbuilt theme manager as well that's used to download different themes, wallpapers, ringtones, fonts, and a lot many customizations to customize your device as per your liking. The Infinix S4 had two different forms of biometric authentication to unlock the device. The first one that we have is a fingerprint sensor. It's a rear fingerprint sensor, and the setup process is really easy and it's really quick, and it takes no time to set up the fingerprint sensor. And to test out the fingerprint sensor, the unlocking process is really simple and really fast. Also, there is a face unlock capability as well on this device, and the setup process for face recognition is really fast, and once it's set up, the face unlock feature is really convenient and it's really fast to unlock the device. Talking about the cameras for the Infinix S4, the rear and the front both cameras are the key highlight of this device. And talking about the rear camera, it's a triple rear camera setup where the primary one is a 13 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 1.12 micropixel size sensor. It's an 5 feet optical lens. There's a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor, and there's another 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture wide angle lens, and it has a field of view of 120 degrees. And the cameras can shoot in a lot many different modes such as AI mode, AI HDR, AI beauty, bokeh mode, night mode, and a lot many modes as well. Talking about the front facing camera, we have a 32 megapixel front facing f2.0 aperture camera, and the camera is enabled with AI features and has a 1.6 microns of pixel size and has a 80-degree of field of view. We also ran a few benchmarking apps on the Infinix S4 smartphone, and here are the results of ANTU2 and Geekbench benchmarking tests. So the Infinix S4 smartphone has been launched in India today, and the variant that we have with us has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and the color that we have is a nebula blue color variant. And there would be more color for this device as well. The device has a box price of 9,999 and would be available as somewhat around 9 to 10,000 rupees. The exact pricing and availability of the device is not yet known at the time of making of this video, and we'll keep you updated as soon as we get any information regarding this. So that's it from our side. This was Akhil from Install or Not, and please like the video if you like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. This was Akhil from Install or Not, and stay tuned for more such videos like this.